So hi guys, now I want to show you this small packet multimeter, multitester. You can see here the readings with those features here and the specification. Sensitivity is 2000 ohms per volt, DC and AC. You can see even here. So let's open up. It is with a battery like this, but I have pre-mounted. So here are the milliamps, here are DC voltage, here are AC voltage, and here are the ohm. Is up to 1 kilo ohm, you can see here, and is up to 1000 volt AC or up to 1000 volt DC and 500 milliamps. Well, let's test it. So first, those are the connectors. Those are going here and here, carefully, and we go to 10 volt DC scale to measure this 1.5 volt DC battery. Let's see here. The battery is dropping because it's discharged. Well guys, it's nice and easy to buy those kind of multimeters. Well, have a nice day. Don't forget to subscribe, share, like, comment. Bye guys, stay safe there.